Hi everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome to my channel. This channel is especially for CS students. So first of all, let me be so clear that I am not a teacher. I am not even a professional or a qualified chartered accountant. I am a student. I am really a student like you. So why this channel? Because of this quarantine, I really don't feel like studying. I'm literally bored. I don't want to study. Even if I start studying, I'm very much procrastinating. So because of this, I'm pretty much sure that there are so many students like me who are still procrastinating or don't even started studying. So this channel is for those students like me who want to pass but they don't want to study now. So with this channel, I'll be posting the revision videos, important chapter discussions, notifications, and I will be also giving you a study timetable, something like that, so that we both study together, but not physically but virtually. So I think you got the point. So to stay connected and for doubts discussion, for the community chat, you can stay connected through our Telegram channel. Its name is CA Student. The link is in the description. You can follow through that channel. So there is a group discussion also there. So if you have any doubts there, you can post it, and other students who know the answer, they will be getting you the answers. If no one answers, I will be answering the questions of yours. So that's it. So I am today's video. I am starting today with study plan, because totally we have 74, no, it's all right, 72 days, because it's as on the day, this is April 8th of 2020. So exactly we have 72 days for exam. That is, exam is on 20th June 2020. So we exactly have 72 days for the exam. So I'll be sharing you the study plan for this 72 days. Don't worry, your study plan, if you have your own study plan, I'm sure that it won't affect your study plan also. I have an idea for it, so while explaining, I'll let you know. Because so if you have your own study plan, you can merge your study plan with this also, so that will be a very good idea. So the main reason for this channel, I've already told you, I'll be posting the revision videos of literally every chapter of IPCC syllabus, of every subject, every chapter. I'll be posting the revision videos for you. So it's it's like, just watch the video and then start practicing. I will also tell you how to practice also, how many times you have to practice, and how many exams you have to write, what are the things you have to revise for getting very good marks in each and every subject. I'll be telling you each and every thing. So let's start our first video, that is study plan for June 2020. So starting with a study plan for June 2020, total days we have is, this is April, so April 8th, so we'll be left with 22 days plus 31 May, and just 19 is June, so totally this becomes 72 days. So we have to plan for this 72 days. So before planning, keep one thing in mind. I've read it somewhere, this line, it goes like this. uh, it says, begin keeping end in mind. So whenever we plan, keep the end point in mind. That is, so the exam is on 20th. So how would you prepare up to 19th? I mean, how would you end the process, and how would you prepare so that you can revise the whole syllabus in 1.5 day? 1.5 days, the gap between each exam is 1.5 day. So how would you prepare, how would you revise the total syllabus within 1.5 day? Keep that in mind and study and prepare and practice, and keep running notes also, or summary notes. It's very very important to pass. So so see, keep these 72 days we are planning. Before planning, I don't know how you plan. So as per my plan, I think I've heard this from Neeraj Arora sir. So yeah, he just told that uh, practice, I mean, start the plan in reverse manner. That means exam is on 20th June. So plan from 19th June, 19th, 18th, 17th. Come this way. So if you want to properly plan at the end days of your, I mean, near to your exam, it's very important at the end how you are preparing, how you are going through your whole syllabus within a short period of time. So we also do the same thing. We plan from rewards. So 20th June is accounts exam, right? So for this accounts exam, I have taken 3 whole days. I mean, 19th June to 17th June. This is for accounts revision, accounts group 1 revision. So that becomes 3 days. So the 20th, on 20th there is accounts exam. So from the last 3 days we are preparing for the accounts. So that, I think 3 days is more than enough for me. I don't know about you, but that is very much enough for me. So, and the next, this up to 17th you will be preparing for accounts. Then 16th June, 16th June to 15th June, take income tax. I mean, only direct tax. Yeah, prepare direct tax. Yeah, this is also was told by Neeraj Arora sir only. I have to thank him. I have planned according to him what he said only. So why? Because income tax exam will be on very much, it's a fourth exam, so it will be little far. So if you prepare income tax at last also, very first also, it will be very far. You don't even, I mean, there is a possibility that you may forget. So that is the reason, come in a reverse order. That's what he told. So I am also prepared with the same plan. So this is 2 days for income tax. Yeah, I think we can complete whole income tax in 2 days. And the next, 14th June, this one day prepare for GST. I feel for GST 1 day is more than enough. Okay, so, and the fourth exam is income tax, and next is costing and FM, third exam. So for that, 13th June, 12th June, I mean 2 days. I feel 2 days is enough, because I know so many students, they are scared of costing and FM exam, but we anyway will prepare from starting. So this is the end schedule, no? So you will get to know in after some time. Okay, so for costing revision, 2 days is enough. So then 11th June to 10th June. So this is for FM, 2 days for FM, because you also have theory, costing and FM theory also you have. So if you complete FM syllabus very quickly, you can take theory. Theory is very important if you want to pass in costing and FM. Remember that. and next is second exam. Second exam is law. So I am dividing the law into three parts: company law, business law, and ethics and communication. For CA inter students, they have only company law and business law. That's it, right? So you have business law. If you can complete, you can take 2 days. I am taking. We have three parts in CIPCC, so I am dividing it into three parts. So 9th June is for business law. 8th June is for company law. 7th June is for ethics and communication. See, ethics and communication, I see there are two types of people when in case of ethics and communications. One, they hate ethics and communication, they can't even cope up with that ethics and communication. And second type of people, in the total of law subject, they are very perfect with ethics and communication only. For that two kind of people, if you are very much perfect in ethics and communication, you can surely complete it in 1 day. If you are not okay, study only which is important. I am not suggesting you that only those will come in exam. What I'm trying to tell you is, if you are very much perfect with business law and company law, because company law also comes in MCQ, so it is very important, you have to study. So if you are very much perfect with company law and business law, ethics and communications, if you study very only which you feel or repetitive or important, again I am not telling that only there are only few questions which are important, IC will give only from that. I am not telling that. So study, if you study ethics and communication, only there are very few questions which are very important and repetitive, so we can complete it 1 day. What I feel is we can complete in 1 day. So this becomes 1 day. So second exam, third exam, fourth exam, and then first exam. See, for group 1, this is the way you have to prepare. So this becomes a group 1, and then comes to group 2. Group 2, I feel auditing is the most difficult subject for me. So first we'll start with auditing only June, which is because exams are nearer, so very important subject should be, you have to remember it. So important, very difficult subject should be very nearer. 6th June to 4th June, prepare for auditing. Yeah, 3 days. I am telling this excluding company audit. For company audit, you can take a full day. It's because more than 25 to 30 marks comes from that company audit, so it's worth taking a full day. So company audit, single separate day. This becomes 4 days for auditing. And then comes ITSM, very headache subject. So 2nd June to 1st June, because I hate ITSM both, of course. For me, SM takes more time than IT, so you can interchange or you can change 1 day to 2 days if you want. So for SM, I am allotting 2 days. And for what IT I am allotting 1 day, that is 31st May. Up to this, okay, we are left with advanced accounting, right? Oh shit, I forgot. So advanced accounting, as same as group 1 accounting, will take 3 days. 30th May to 28th May. 28th May, advanced accounting, 3 days. So this will be the last revision for your exam. Okay, this is final revision. Final revision of your exam. This goes around 3 to 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 19, 20, 23. Final revision will be for the both groups 23 days. this will be the final revision. We are going in a reverse way, you remember it, right? So after this, so what I am telling you is, this is a reverse process. So from April to May you will be studying. I mean, you are going with the first revision or second revision, whatever it is. So before starting your final revision, take a break for one day. That is 27th May. Take a break. That is for one day. If you take a break, take it. You'll be relieved from this hectic revision or studies. Watch a movie. Just relax for one day, and then you are coming in the reverse order. So 26th May. 26th May. Write an exam of ITSM. Yeah, exam in the sense, write any previous year question paper or any mock test paper. I don't suggest writing online tests, which is paid, because it's just a waste of money. They say they correct, they do the paper correction as same as ICI, but I don't recommend those. I just feel it's a waste of money. So it's your wish, but we have to write exam before writing the real exam. So we have to have a practice. We have to do exactly as we write in the exam hall. Keep exact stopwatch 3 hours. Start the exam and end it at within 3 hours, and correct yourself, because you should know your own mistake, so you have to correct it. That's better if you write your own exam and you correct yourself. I suggest writing at least 2 papers, and your wish, you can write 1 paper or 2 paper as your wish. I don't suggest anything on this. So write ITSM exam on 26th May, and then 25th May auditing exam. 1 or 2, I can say. And then 24th May advanced accounting, and then 23rd May tax exam. I mean, real exam, 3 hours exam. And then 22nd May write costing and FM exam. Next 21st May law exam. And then 20th May accounts exam. Come in a reverse order. You understand, I think. Accounts, law, costing, tax, advanced accounting, auditing, ITS. This is a reverse order. So write exam. Writing exam is very, very important. I am really telling you, it's really very important. So this totally becomes, the 7 days plus 1 day break becomes 8 days. So here is 23 days and here 8 days. Okay, so you are left with, so this is 23 plus 8 minus total of 72 days. 23 plus 8 minus 72. This is 41 days. So in this 41 days, 19th May, take a break. That is, before starting the exams, take a break. Yeah. And before starting the final revision, take 1 day break. And before starting your revision exams, take 1 day break. Just relax. This is just for the relaxation. So now this becomes 41 days. So again, 72 minus 23 minus 8 minus 1. We are left with 40 days. So remaining days is 40 days. In this 40 days, I suggest you to plan yourself, because I feel that you have already started your own study plan. If you don't even start it, what I do is generally what I do. I divide the all subjects, 7 subjects, into 10. That is accounts. What next exam is law, costing, FM, DT, IDT, that is GST, advanced accounting, auditing, IT, SM. This becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I divide the whole syllabus into this, and then this becomes 10. So I give 4 days per subject. So I suggest, if you don't have any plan, just go with this, because I am assuming that you have at least a minimum knowledge about each subject. So if you don't have not even a minimum knowledge, I feel make it compress this timetable, and try to write 2 exams per day. Then this becomes 4 days. So try to compress, but I feel, I am sure that you are at least known with the syllabus, because we didn't know that exam would be postponed to June 2020. So we would have already prepared at least once. So I feel go with your plan up to May 20. So after May 20, follow this, because I feel this is the best. This plan is the best, because this is the way we have to prepare for exam if you want to pass. So this 40 days, go with the plan. If you don't have plan, just try to complete each subject within 4 days. That is, I have divided this into our total subjects into 10. You can divide in whichever way you want. So go through this. This is my suggestion for the study plan for June 2020 CA IPCC. If you have any different plans, you can go through it. You can follow yours, but I suggest this final revision and the exam revision is the best if you want to pass. So this is my study plan. If you like it, just follow it. Please like the video if you like it, and share with your friends, because this is very important. I feel even keep the revision videos apart. Study plan is more important, because you have to have a plan before starting. So I feel this is very good. If you like it, just share it with your friends, like the video. And so for the next video, I'll be starting with the revision classes. I will update you about the revision classes in a while. So most probably I'll start with accounts. If there is any change in the plan, I'll let you know. So but I'll start with the revision videos of accounts. So hope you like the video, you like the study plan. Thank you very much. Have a good day.